I have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra here. I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes, okay? Very, very simple here. The only thing you got to do is open up your camera. So you can double click the power button for a shortcut. Open the camera, leave it on photos, okay? Now, go anywhere that is a QR code. It doesn't matter if it's on a computer screen, on a phone, on a hat, on my shirt, on a business card. It does not matter. Have it on photo, and then go ahead and find a QR code here. I just did a quick internet search here, so I'll just go ahead and, so grab your phone, and then we want to go to a QR code and kind of tap on it, and we can see that this one here will bring us to a web page. But these QR codes can, send you a contact information, can send you a message, can take you to like a website. Let me do another one really fast. Okay, let's go down here, and let's see what this one is right here. We'll tap that. Oops. Okay, hold on. I'll do it over again. Okay, ready? Go over here and just kind of right there, and this is going to take us to this website here. And if I tap on that, oops, let me do it again. So let me do another QR code here. Okay, right here. I'm going to click on right there. Oops, let me go ahead and sign in. Okay, and then it'll take us. So, all right, so this one here actually took us to this page right here. So pretty simple. I think you guys got the idea. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck.